All right, simplest radical form, example 2. So I'm looking at the square root of 500. So just like last time, I'm going to jump right to my calculator, clear out what's in there. 500 divide x, second graph to get to the table. I'm seeing 10 and 50, which I probably could have figured out on my own if I was feeling so inclined to do so. Notice I'm not putting down 1 in 50 or 1 in 500. I didn't put down 1 and 75 in the other one because that's not going to change anything. I got 20 and 25 over there. 20 and 25. Okay, so there's 25 and 20 again. So there's nothing else up there. So that's why I'm going to go backwards, make sure I didn't miss anything because I feel like I might have. 10 and 50. Oh, there's, whoa. Calm down, calculator, calm down. Okay, so 2 and 250, 4 and 125, 2 and 250, 4 and 125, 5 and 100. All right, so there are my factors. And again, I'm looking for the largest perfect square. So neither 10 nor 50 are perfect squares. 25 is a perfect square, but it might not necessarily be the largest. So I want to keep looking out for something, that might be, I'm pressing the wrong button. I'm looking for something that might be bigger. 2 and 250, 250 is not a perfect square, but even if you weren't sure, then you could just come back to your calculator, square root 250, no, not a perfect square. 4 is a perfect square, but 25 is a bigger perfect square, so I'm not going to want to use the 4. And, 100 is actually a perfect square. So if I'm picking between 25 and 100, I'm picking 100. We're using 100 because it's the largest. And remember, our notes told us we were looking for the largest perfect square factor. So we're going to use that 105. If it would just, there we go. So just like I did above, I'm going to break up the square root of 500 into the square root of 100 times the square root of 5. Only one of them should come out to be a nice normal whole number, and that is the square root of 100 because that's a perfect square, and that is 10. And again, you just go right to your calculator. Second square root 100, boom. Second square root 5, ugly, rational, irrational. Nice normal decimal, not. So my final simplified answer is 10 square roots of 5. And we'll take a look, SRF, simplest radical form. Take a look at the next example.